Hello hungry fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few marshmallow hacks and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first hack, I have half cup of powdered sugar. Here I am trying the method of separating the yolk. Just place any bowl or cup over the yolk and add the egg white to the powdered sugar. This is a very nice hack for separating the yolk without causing any mess. Let's knead it into a dough. The batter was runny, so I added more 1 cup of sugar and now I can knead it easily. Take a small portion of the dough and give any shape you want. Place it on the baking paper and microwave it for 2 minutes. So the first batch kind of burnt a bit from the bottom. This time I'm placing only 2 small dough balls and microwave it for 2 minutes at 30 seconds interval. It's not burnt now. This looks better, but it turned out very powdery. For this one, I microwaved for 1 minute and again it's the same. So I tried this hack almost 6 to 7 times, but the result was powdery rather than marshmallowy like the video. So for me, this hack was busted. Choco pie is one of my favorite sweet snacks, so I had to try this hack. Pop it in the microwave for 10 minutes and just look at how the marshmallow inside it is puffing up. This hack totally works, just that it becomes a bit more messy to eat, but it tastes so much more delicious when it's warm. The main ingredient for all the coming hacks is marshmallow. I know a lot of you want its recipe, but it's a hard one to crack. Till then, you can buy this and all the other products I use from Amazon through this amazing app called Cash Karo, where you get massive cashbacks or rewards on every online shopping. Not only on Amazon, but many apps like Flipkart, Myntra, Ajio, and more 1500 plus apps with just 2 simple steps. Make an account on Cash Karo from the link in the description box and select any website. I'm going to select Amazon and then tap on the orange button. Right away, you will be directed to its website. Now just shop as you would usually do. After you add the product in the cart and complete all your payments, you can check your cashback in the Cash Karo app's My Earnings section. All the cashback you earn from Cash Karo is real cash. So when your cashback is confirmed, you can either transfer it into your bank account or convert it into Amazon gift card. You will get ₹25 extra if you sign up now from the first link in the description box, and I've mentioned all the product links which I used in this video. If you buy the same products, you will also get some extra cash back. On Amazon, for the first purchase, you get minimum of ₹50 reward, so you should definitely check it out. Now let's move on with the third hack. For the next hack, I'm using 2 nice biscuits instead of crackers, 2 pieces of dairy milk, 2 marshmallows which I'm going to break into half, and place the cookie dough over it. I'm using the recipe from the YouTube versus TikTok video. You can also find the recipe in the description box below. Now bake it for 12 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I had some extra dough, so I baked 1 cookie for myself. These cookies look pretty amazing. The result is also quite similar. Let's taste it now. Okay, it is super sweet. That's probably because I use nice biscuits, but I liked it. It's very soft and crunchy at the same time. If you like a very sweet cookie, I'm sure you will love it. First, brush the baking paper with oil or butter. Place the bread slices over it. Then place the chocolate. I'm using both milk and white chocolate. Then arrange the marshmallows in a line. And bake it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Look at the size of the marshmallows, they have almost tripled in size. So here's a super satisfying shot of the marshmallow pull. Let's taste it now. Wow, that is so good. It's crispy from the top and very soft from the inside. Even the bread has become crispy. Just the chocolate should have been more melted. But it works and it's a successful hack. For the next hack, I'm adding half cup of marshmallows and 1 tablespoon butter. Let it melt for 4 to 5 minutes. Then I'm adding about 4 drops of red food color. Mix it in. Then I tried to make the Rice Krispies at home by following the official Kellogg's recipe, but it turned out like regular kurmure or puffed rice, which you can easily find it in the market. Now I have to work with what I have because it took me 2 days to make just 1 cup. Add it in the pan and mix it all in. I transfer it on a plate and using a heart-shaped cookie cutter, I'm cutting out this cookie. Drizzle some chocolate sauce over it. No doubt they look very pretty. Let's see how they taste. I wasn't sure if it will be crispy, but it is, which is good. Surprisingly, the taste is also nice. So yeah, this hack was successful. And now the most requested hack, and from where this 5-minute craft testing trend started. I'm making half the recipe. I have 150 ml of milk. I'm adding 2 marshmallows, 1 egg. Mix it in and microwave it for 10 minutes. Nothing happened after 10 minutes, so I'm going to microwave it for more 5 minutes. Now it curdled a bit. Also the Tetra Pak started burning, so I was scared to microwave it more. I'm going to take it out on a plate. I actually didn't want to try this hack because they debunked it so well in how to cook that, and a lot of YouTubers tried it already and you can clearly see the result. It looks kind of like paneer for some reason, but it's just cooked egg with milk solids and the taste is also not that great. So for me, this hack was undoubtedly busted. Try these fun hacks and let me know your feedback. Don't forget that Cash Karo is literally giving away free money for online shopping. Sign up now on Cash Karo and earn extra cash back on shopping. Also get rupees extra 25 from the link in the description box. Today's shout out goes to Rahi Singh, Anusha G, Asta Malik, Kritika Matle and Avika Gupta. If you want a shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.